So I recently made a dish and I posted a picture on Facebook, and I was just completely inundated with comments asking me for recipes and how did you make it. But one stood out. The guy had a very cool name and he asked for specs and features of the dish. Those of you who follow me on social media know that I cook on occasion. Last dish I cooked was bindi with chawal and some mutter, and that translates roughly to okra with so I decided to up the ante this time around and make some lasagna, and that's how they say it in Italy. So this is the dish afterwards. I made basically two of these, one smaller than the other, and ergonomics wise it's a lot lighter and easier to hold in the hand once it's empty. The grease retention factor is relatively low because I use a lot less grease in these dishes. There's a lot of cheese left over. I mean, I did lick this clean, but it's weird that there's still some there. Switching over to the larger option, it's much bigger. You can see that there's not much left, and it's only been about 12 hours since I started eating this. I think I woke up halfway through. I was in a trance-like state for the first half of this dish. And, overall not so bad. As far as the density goes, it's certainly there. It has the traditional lasagna kind of features to it. We'll take a closer look into the actual layers, and you see there's the usual culprits, which are meat and cheese and pasta, but for good measure I added a lot of cheese, and then I added more cheese afterwards, and I garnished it with some coriander. Anyways, that's been the dish. Hopefully you guys enjoyed looking at stuff that I made and put into my face hole. Would I make it again? I think so, but this time around I would just mix the stuff in my mouth as opposed to baking it. It saves a lot of time. Actually, on the other hand, that time allowed me to eat a whole bunch of cheese and the remainder of the meat. So that's good too. Anyways, that's the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.